In this video, we will show you how to cancel a Planet Fitness membership. If you guys want to get started with Planet Fitness, you can use the links down in the description. While they hate to see you cancel, policies vary by club, so first contact your home location to confirm. For most locations, you can visit your home club in person to cancel your membership or send a written notification via mail to your home club requesting to cancel. Some members may also be eligible to cancel their membership online based on their membership type and the location of their home club. If you have additional questions, please contact your home club or our member services department. To stop billing on the 17th, submit written notice by the 10th in person or by mail, as the changes may take up to 7 business days. To prevent the annual fee from being charged, cancel by the 25th of the month before the fee date. Lastly, if your membership has a minimum term, it is cancelled before the end of the contract terms. A $58 buyout fee is required. So that's how to cancel a Planet Fitness membership. Make sure to use the links down in the description to get started with Planet Fitness. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.